fun and the party part too. She's truly a witch with a washcloth. She's beautiful and using shampoo. Cleaning up so good in the bathtub. Just ask her.
No, just ask her. She'll probably say.
Just ask her. She'll probably say.
She's planning to grow up to be a professional vacuum someday. All right.